Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week we're going to take a look at Tailor, an iOS application that allows you to stitch together screenshots by combining multiple images automatically. Let's take a look. So here we are on the iOS App Store, and here's the listing for Tailor. Now I have this installed already, so we'll just open this. And the interface is really simple. In the left, we have the gear icon for all of the settings, and there actually aren't any settings for this application. In the middle, if we've stitched together any screenshots, they'll appear here in our library. And the currently selected image can be deleted by tapping on the trash icon in the upper right. Since this is the first time we've used this, we don't have any screenshots in our library. The animation shows us how we can put Tailor to work by combining multiple sections of a text message or a chat thread. Something like Slack would be perfect for this. So let's close Tailor and go into our Slack application. Here we've got the ScreenCastsOnline Slack group. And if we scroll through this general thread, we've got quite a bit of history here. Now, oftentimes the conversation is not going to fit on one single screen. So what we want to do is we want to take multiple screenshots, and we'll scroll up here a ways to get the first one. We can take screenshots by tapping the power button and the home button at the same time, or by using the side button and the volume up button on a newer device like the iPhone 10 or above. Our screenshot shows up in the lower left-hand corner, so there's the first part of this. For the next image we want to stitch together, we want to scroll down and we want to keep the bottom of this message thread at the top of our screen. We'll take another screenshot.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.